The Jaintia National Council (JNC) of Cleriat Circle has taken a significant step in combating drug abuse in the region. Led by Working President Diamond Bare and General Secretary Sembo Bayar Sumer, the council identified and detained 2 individuals found to be drug addicts within the Cleriat area of East Jaintia Hills district. The 2 individuals were brought to the JNC office where they underwent questioning and a discipline-oriented counseling session. The council used the opportunity to educate them on the dangers of drug abuse, emphasizing the fact on both families and society at large. To highlight the seriousness of the issue, the council publicly destroyed the confiscated drugs. Parents and guardians were called to the office to take custody of the individuals. During the process, the detainees revealed crucial information about active drug dealers operating in the district. The GNC Cleriat Circle has called on government authorities to take urgent and effective action against drug trafficking, underscoring the threat it poses, especially to the youth. The council reaffirmed its commitment to eradicating drug supply networks in the area. The council also urged upon the community to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities to the authorities to support the fight against drugs and drug trafficking.
Bonin apply
Нет,